some people booked into our theatre, we need to know how many we have. Rather than counting, we are going to be lazy programmers and we're going to use a formula instead. So down beside adult in the cell here, we're going to double click and we're going to type equals and then the following letters, COUNTIF, COUNTIF, and put a bracket. After the bracket, we're going to take our mouse, we're going to click in the first cell and hold of our seating plan and drag down to the bottom to select all of our seating plan. This is telling the formula where to look for the data. Then we're going to do a comma, and then we are going to click on the cell beside us for adult to tell it to look for this adult in the seating plan. And then we're going to finish it off with a bracket and press enter. The formula will automatically count the number of adult tickets that are in the system. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, our formula is right, but to check it, let's just add another adult ticket. Boom, 15. Great. Alternatively, for writing a COUNTIF, if we did the alternative route, if we go to the chart and go into the cell beside, press equals, type in COUNTIF, bracket. Again, we're going to select where we're going to look. So click, hold and drag over your seating plan, put a comma, and then this time we're going to use quotations just like a string in Python. And we're going to write child exactly with a capital C as we've spelt before and close it with quotations and a bracket and press enter. This will also work. But if you're finding that you already have what you're looking for written beside you in the cell, then it's easier to use this method. But if you don't have what you want to look for written in the cell beside, you can input a string here instead. Finish off by creating a COUNTIF or concession, whichever way you want to do it. That's it for this video.